Inside our AtomPM editor, first we have to define the abstract syntax of our model. So go to the formalism folder and hotel folder, and hotel.mm.model is a file where we can define our abstract syntax. So here I created a class diagram with some attributes and cardinalities. We can also define some local constraints here within the class and some global constraints outside from the class diagram. Like this, here we can define our code and the event and name of the global constraints. Now we have to compile it, so click on it and save it as hotel.metamodel file. In second step, we have to define the concrete syntax of our model. So first we have to load the concrete syntax formalism toolbar, and after that we can see here inside the hotel folder I have the hotel.defaulticon.model file. So here we have to build our concrete syntax. So draw the concrete syntax model and the classes and links, and with the help of some icons and images also we can give the image path here in the src. And now compile it and save it as hotel.defaulticons.model metamodel file. So here I created some valid and invalid models for my hotel. So first we check for the invalid hotel number.model file. So a model can have only one hotel at a time. So here you can see I have two hotel in one model. So if I click on the verify button, it gives me error for validate GC hotel max failed. So my second invalid model is invalid number of rooms.model file. So here you can see that I have one hotel and 4 rooms. So I define the hotel can have only 3 maximum rooms, but here I have 4 rooms. So when I click on the verify button, it gives me error for validate GC hotel maximum room failed.